Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to check and remove Facebook login device history. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Facebook account. So I'm going to click on here. Then having opened up your Facebook account, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here, this icon, this profile icon. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, all the way down, and make sure you navigate to settings and privacy. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on account center right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on password and security. Then the next thing you need to do is simply click on where you are logged in. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply select your Facebook account. So it's going to take you right here. At this point here, you can simply review and remove any of the suspicious device. You take note right here. So once you do that, what you need to do is to simply select the device you would like to log out from this option. So you can select any one of them right here and click on remove. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to check and remove Facebook login device history on your Facebook account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.